Children of God, the Jewish people celebrated several important feasts each year. Traditionally, there were three major pilgrimage feasts: Passover, Pentecost, and the Feast of Tabernacles. These feasts required Jewish men to go up to Jerusalem. Among them, the Feast of Tabernacles, also called Sukkot, was one of the most joyful celebrations. It remembered the time when Israel lived in tents in the desert after leaving Egypt. And for 7 days, families stayed in temporary shelters to recall how God protected them in the wilderness. It was both a harvest festival and a spiritual reminder of dependence on God. People thanked the Lord for crops and for covenant faithfulness. Jerusalem would become crowded and alive with pilgrims. The feast reminded everyone that life is a journey and that God journeys with His people. It celebrated trust in God's provision